The best thing you will do for yourself this year is to know your skin type. I don't want to be hearing I have a dark skin type, I have a fair skin type. That is not your skin type. Let me show you the simplest way you can get to know your skin type so I don't get to charge you extra money when you come in for a consultation section. Come to the space. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to know what kind of skin type you have so you get to choose the right product for your skin and avoid wasting money on products that won't work for you. If your goal this year is to have a beautiful glowing skin, or you're just a beginner, then this video is for you. So before we dive right into today's video, please do your girl the favor and like this video. It goes a long way, okay? Now, how do you know your skin type? We basically have 4 different skin types, and that is normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, and dry skin. Because when someone asks you what is your skin type, what they simply want to know is which of these categories your skin falls into. Are you a dry skin, or you have a normal skin, or you have an oily skin, or you have a combination skin? That is what they simply want to know. The first thing you want to do if you want to know what kind of skin type you have is to get a gentle soap or face cleanser, like this face fat foaming face wash, or the simple face cleanser, or even this Dove Beauty Cream Bar soap. These are gentle face cleanser or face soap that you can use on your face. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use them so that you will be able to figure out what kind of skin type you have. Just buy a plain cleanser or soap that do not have any major ingredients. You don't need a brightening face soap or brightening face wash or soaps that have actives like vitamin C, niacinamide, and all of that. Even this Panoxyl face wash, you don't need it. You just need a plain soap or face wash that does not have any active ingredients that will strip your skin. Something gentle is enough, okay? So what I'm trying to say is you can actually use any other face soap of your choice as long as they do not contain any active ingredients. Now, once you get that face soap or face wash, ensure you wash your hands properly. Like, get into the shower, wash your hands first. Once you finish washing your hand, splash some water to your face, okay? And once you're done pouring that water on your face, lather your soap or your face cleanser on your palm and use that lather now to massage that lather into your face. Take your time, use your hands. You don't need any cleaning equipment like face brush on your face. Just use your hand. Your hand is enough, okay? As long as you washed it. You want to also place a timer. 60 seconds is enough. Massaging that lather into your face and ensure you're washing your face properly. And immediately you're done, rinse that off. Allow your face to air dry. You can go about your day, but just give yourself like 30 minutes after washing your face. You can always do this whenever you are at home or you just want to relax. You can choose to do it both in the morning or at night. Anytime that you're free, you can just wash your face, then allow it to air dry. Once it's 30 minutes, just go close to your mirror. If you don't have a big mirror that you can use to see your face, you can just get all this tiny mirror. So the simple thing you need to observe is how your skin feels first of all. So the first thing you want to observe is the feeling you're getting immediately after that 30 minutes. Now, if your skin feels tight and dry after that 30 minutes of washing your face and not applying any product, please, I forgot to state that, don't apply any product, okay? Just wash your face and allow it to air dry before observing your face. Don't apply face cream or anything. So if your face feels tight and dry immediately after that 30 minutes of not applying anything, that simply means you have a dry skin. If your face feels dry in some places and looks oily in your T-zones, like your forehead, your chin, or your cheek are oily, that means you have a combination skin. Whereas if you look into the mirror and your skin is shiny, like it feels so oily, even without you applying anything, that simply means you'll have an oily skin. If your skin still feels normal after that 30 minutes, you're not too oily, you're not too dry, like your skin is just normal, that means you have a normal skin. So you see, this is simply how to know your skin type in the comfort of your own home. You don't need to do too much. Just a plain soap or face cleanser is enough for you to be able to identify your skin type. You can have a normal skin and your normal skin is sensitive. Your dry skin could be sensitive. Your oily skin can be sensitive. Your combination skin can be sensitive, and vice versa. The same way someone with oily or combination skin can be acne prone, that is the same way someone that have a normal dry combination or oily skin can be sensitive. Now you already know your skin type. Let me know if you would like to see a video on the best products for your skin or how to pick the best products for your skin type. Comment your skin type below and I'll be sure to make that video for you. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.